A sizable number of mothers and residents assembled at Musafu playgrounds to commemorate the International Breastfeeding Day. On behalf of the Minister of Health, Dr. Jane Thaching, the Director of Clinical Services in the Ministry, Dr. Charles Olal, asked mothers to breastfeed their babies to prevent them from malnutrition diseases that are associated with it.
Vaccine protecting babies from deadly diseases, and at the same time it gives them all the nourishment they need to survive and thrive. Notably, breastfeeding provides unique early bonding experience for the infants and their mothers, thus contributing greatly to the babies' both psychological, emotional, and social development.
Acheng called upon employees to provide breastfeeding spaces for mothers at their duty stations.
Supporting breastfeeding involves many actors, as you have heard. Women need support from the healthcare workers, employers, community, and family to optimally breastfeed their babies. And for us all who are here as part of the actors, I think there is nobody who is having an objection on that. So we have agreed that we shall support our mothers to breastfeed.
Mothers say much as they have embraced breastfeeding, they have several challenges that hinder them from doing it consistently.
Ate abasaba balwawo nnyo okujja mu ddwaliro oluusi tutuula ne tumalayo kabbanga enjala ng'etulumira omwo abakazi lubanga tunaba kuwosa egundi ebintu by'abaana enjala etuluma bava omwo ng'enjala etuluma bajja mu ssaawa 5 ku ssaawa 4.
Tetulina bintu bye tukozesa ngaffe bamaama otuyonsa abaana oluusi ssaawa zino ebintu birinnye sabbuuni tetuzirina ze tukozesa okwoza ebikunta eby'omwana wammwe. Sukaali tetulina ow'okunywesa abaana.
Busia District Health Officer Matthias Obure asked government to centralize breastfeeding banks to enable health workers in various parts of the country breastfeed abandoned babies.
Who give birth, maybe a girl got pregnant and she was not prepared to take care of that child, and they end up throwing those children. You find them in dustbins, you find them abandoned in hospitals. Now such children, you will want to breastfeed, you will want this child to get breast milk, but the mother is not there. So we are saying, if we have a breast milk bank, and I was telling the audience that so far we have one which is established in Zambia, but in Zambia hospital is very far in Kampala. Can we have also breast milk banks at the level of the districts, such that these children who are genuinely not able to access breast milk, we can help them through these blood banks.
According to the health experts, mothers are supposed to breastfeed their babies for at least 6 months. He says health service delivery in the same area is still wanting because of the poor state of most of the health centers that lack trained health workers and proper equipment.
We call for the government to support the ambulance services in the district. The district doesn't have enough numbers of health workers. You'll find that the few cannot attend to the big numbers of mothers. And whenever mothers come with their children and they don't find quality services which meet their needs, the following day they will not come.
Flavia Ninkuze for CTV, PM Edition.